Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Creationsbyledesigns, but you can call me Leslie. In this DIY, I'll be making a red truck Christmas throw pillow. The items I'll be using are the stuffing from an old pillow, an old pillowcase that I cut up for the Buffalo Plaid pillow I made. What'd you say, Lexi? And I'll just be sewing this on with hot glue. But first, I'll be using the Fabric. For those who are new, welcome. And those who have been here before, welcome back. I'm just gluing the pillow on the pillowcase. This is a baby pillow. Fold that over. Like you're wrapping a present. I hope you're enjoying this video. Easy peasy. I think it's cute. I just I love it. For extra security, I'll be using my fabric glue. And just don't burn your fingers. If you use a hot glue gun. No sew, easy to make. Do y'all like red trucks? It's little. Pull this over so you'll have a seam. Now you're wondering, well, can this go in the washing machine? The glue itself, yes. I mean, no. You can if you want, but I wouldn't. Just go with the hot glue. I mean, this is extra security. Keeping them to hold it. And as my last video, Dollar Tree haul video, I got the fabric from Walmart. It's only $1.47, so to make this $2. More if you don't have a glue. You have to get the glue. And there you have it. What do you think? If you enjoyed watching this video, give me a thumbs up, and thank you for letting me share this do-yourself plaid, Buffalo Plaid throw pillow and a red truck pillow. Easy peasy. And thank you so much for watching. Until next time, see you in my next video. Bye for now.